So, I was a little bit out of it today because I wanted to go see my love. My love, my love, my love. Dude, I haven't heard that song in a long time. Anyway, so, what happened today, Lori?
Tell the story.
I'll tell it. I left the keys in the car and we were trying to get it with a hanger. We couldn't. And then while we were parking, we forgot to put it on park. So like the car was coming down and she's like, Beatriz, Beatriz, and I was like, oh. Dude, imagine like we would have hit a trash can or something. Damn, that would have not been cool. Shut up. Don't ever say that. Just kidding. This is Mexican liquor. Just kidding. Is it really? So you can take a shit?
Not really.
That's all, really? Because my parents always told me that. They're like, drink this and you'll take a poop. It's funny. It's probably